You go potty, huh? But all that morning we had recorded, didn't record, buddy. So all that time you had playing with the birds, it didn't even take. All that good filming of you just being cool around all the birds, it didn't take. All that was for nothing. I enjoyed it. So nobody else got to see any of it. Usually they put that shit on top. Usually they put that on top.
What?
So you could dump the load. You need help? My bad, bro.
You're good.
I didn't know you had to hand unload everything.
You're good, man.
You doing alright this morning?
Oh, yeah, pretty good.
Another day in paradise, brother.
Yeah, buddy.
I appreciate you, man.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, little puppy.
That one right there had his hackles up at me. I jumped up on top.
Which one?
That one.
Oh, she ain't gonna do shit. She's like 12 years old. She barks, but she ain't, and her hair stands up always on her back, even when she's happy.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well, she didn't look too happy, though.
Yeah, she's a good girl. She just acts a little iffy, but she ain't gonna do nothing. She's 12 human years old.
Huh?
She's 12 human years old.
Wow.
Yeah, I got her in 2011 at the beginning. Her and her stud. Juju, my main dog. Come on, Belly. Yeah, she's a good girl, man. I ain't never had no issues with her ever. Come on, Belly. You better bring your butt on, girl. Yeah, she had surgery a couple of months ago. She had to have surgery, so she's just now recovering. Yeah, that's just. I'll hold it for you.
I don't want it to catch on the
Yeah.
there.
Then you'll be pulling it. Move, Belly. Yeah, he's right here. Come on, Belly. Come on, guys. Belly, now. Come on, Belly. You're good. Yeah, your brother got to hang out. Too bad nobody got to see it because the camera didn't record.